bricks. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. Or ram with me mother food. Spanish town.
Hey guys, so today we are going to the river. We're going to Mayfield Falls in Westmoreland. Originally we were supposed to go with my stepbrother and stuff, but plan changed, so I'm going with my auntie and family. And yeah, so it's gonna be a fun time. We got all our stuff. We're just waiting for Moisha to bring the van so we can drive, and then we're gonna go pick up my little nephew from Kimar's house. We're gonna have fun. Morning. So yeah. Call you. So guys, we just reached the falls. Well, we're not where the falls is. We're in like the little parking lot. Yeah. Bad driver Moisha. So we are going down the hill. Oh God, who's gonna walk up back? Oh my God, I can't manage these type of walking to come back. You can't manage me. They should have one of those little golf carts or something. What shortcuts? Oh, the step. Yeah, because I think that's for cars. Yeah, one step there. They're causing traffic, so. Wait. What push side of me? Yeah, you don't feel like me, I go down. You know what just happened? I nearly went over the waterfall. The current was so strong, like 3 people had to pull me up out to the waterfall. I can't believe. Holy.
One, two, three, one.
What's up, guys? Today we are going downtown to run some business errands. Right? Miserable. Sir, miserable. So, Gwaan. So miserable because me and him cuss about scissors. So miserable. But yeah, we are gonna go downtown, go sort out some stuff, and then come back up. Yeah.